I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you're having a fabulous time. It's a beautiful Friday morning.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours. Just as light could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied.
Hi guys,
Merry Christmas
and welcome to Zuri Chats, the show that brings you the best discoveries in the world of lifestyle. Today is Christmas Day, and I am excited to be joined by 3 awesome gentlemen. There's a 4th one behind the camera. For those that haven't subscribed to our channel, I'd like to remind you please to do so below. And do not forget to hit the notification button so that you're informed every time we have a new video up. Now, without further ado, I'm going to ask the lovely gentlemen to introduce themselves, starting from my immediate left. The tall gentleman.
Hello guys, My name is Mutuma, and I'm happy to be here.
Hi, my name is Brighton, normally known as Joe. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I professionally do art and graphics design, dealers in design, print, brand, and digital marketing. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Jack, and I'm into technology. I'm also a very good businessman out here, and I love doing charity. So have a Merry Christmas. I love you guys. And by the way, I'm single and searching.
That's a good one. So thanks guys. Today was a special day for us because we're from the Meru prisons, Meru Women's Prison, where they were going to distribute food to the ladies there. I got to know about it through them, and because they're my friends, I decided to join them this morning for that noble activity. Haven't been able to engage directly with the ladies at the prison because of obviously the coronavirus. We've only left the food and decided to just have a chit chat before we part to go home. The event was organized by
Jack.
Powered by Brinkfab Solutions.
Okay, this is Brinkfab Solutions.
This is Blue Tech.
Blue Tech.
Entertainment.
Blue
Okay.
Tech
Who is
Entertainment.
Brinkfab
This is
Solutions?
Brinkfab Solutions.
This is Joe. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I have a couple of questions for you. One, I think, is a reaction. You guys, I think I haven't known you too long, but one of the things I've noticed is you've had a lot of these other charity events around. What motivates you to go out and do this? Because it's very rare and it's special to find young men that are just, going all out and giving back to society.
I think I can answer that. There's only one thing that is the greatest religion in the entire world today, and that is love.
Yeah.
So I think love is what guides us. We love it when we share with people.
True.
Because after all, what matters is the kind of mark that you leave behind.
Yeah. Awesome. The fact that what stood out for me today, everyone right now is in the business of just celebrating Christmas, going shopping, cooking, but these guys are busy like at 10, 9 o'clock, they're out of their houses just going to the supermarket. You see the willingness and the commitment in the work they're putting out there. It's very, very inspiring, even for me as a content creator. So I'd like to congratulate you. I think it's very good work. It's work I haven't seen, and especially down here in the rural area, I would say, because Meru is not that big. But to be able to do so many activities, they've also visited homes where there are people that are terminally ill to actually distribute food. There was one such event, I think, a few weeks back. So I think it's very noble. How how do you merge what you do for a living with the charity work? For example, how do you merge BrinkFab? How do you merge Dayland Photography or these other companies you're running with what you're doing as a charity? Do you blend them together, or they are separate entities? This is what you do to give back.
I'll answer that. When we talk about charity, we all talk about maybe your inner circle.
Yeah.
We talk about friends who are around you.
Yeah.
When you come together, great things happen. That used to be Safaricom's tagline
Yes.
back then. So I'm a believer of when we come together, with the little you have, with the little he has, we can make big things.
Yeah.
So, and it's through that we have always been able to achieve. You know, we have maybe we can say a good following via the social media. So through it, we are able to mobilize people, and through the mobilization, people are able to chip in. We are able to chip in ourselves, organize, plan, and also strategize for the event.
Awesome.
And you guys, I'm happy. We are all happy, and we are humbled for your support all through. Thank you.
Yeah. So, anything else? I'd like to actually jog your minds for a bit. I'd like you at least to tell me, each of you to tell us, or to tell me, one of the most positive traits about you. There's one thing that defines Joe, one thing that defines Morris, one thing that defines Jack. What is that?
I think I'll say love.
Love. Awesome. Joe?
I'm defined by creativity.
Creativity. This guy, he does, what is this you do? The sketching.
Yeah.
Why didn't you mention that?
That was called
I think it's
creativity.
awesome because you've shown me a bit of what you do.
Yeah.
We're going to be sharing that with you in another video, hopefully. And Maurice?
For me, what defines me is my hard work.
Oh, awesome.
Nothing much.
Okay. These guys work really hard. I've gone to most of the events with them, and they are awesome company as well. So, finally, what are your plans for Christmas? I'd like to know. It's already, I don't know what time it is.
We have already strategized our plans.
Exactly.
Are they secret?
We are done.
What
Today
are
we had purposely planned to visit the GK Meru prisons.
Yeah.
The women's section actually, to be precise.
Yeah.
We have already done that. And the next location is private and confidential.
I see. Okay. Awesome. So thank you guys for watching. This was very, very short. I was too inspired to just let them walk away without having a word or two with them. So thanks guys for having us. Thanks for talking to us, letting us know a little about what you're doing. I'd love you to share probably your website links or whatever you're doing, and then I'll pin it under the video, and guys can check you out. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay happy, keep smiling. Bye.
Bye.
I gave you my heart.